Hi, to enable and disable NFC on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we need to go in the settings first, and here search for the Tap More connectivity options. And now you'll see the NFC feature. So this feature allows data exchange when this device touches another. And also, before enabling it, you can select your contactless payments. Here, go in the default payment app and select any from your list. And here you can select to always use default payment app or accept when another payment app is open. And to enable this feature, just tap on it like that so it will light up blue, and now it's on. Also, to easily reach this feature, you can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find it here. If you cannot find it, then go in the edit mode and add it from the system toggles. Here it is. Let's just tap it, and now when it's blue, then it is enabled. If you tap it again, you will turn off NFC. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.